Okay, this is question 14 on 2016 WJC additional maths paper. So we need to find, using an algebraic method, so that means just using algebra, the coordinates of the point of intersection. So notice we've got the plural, so there's going to be more than one, of the intersection of the curve y equals x squared minus 6x plus 14 and the straight line x plus y equals 10. So a quadratic curve looks like that. A straight line, this one actually have a negative gradient. It's either going to look like this, where it's going to miss altogether, so there's going to be no points of intersection. Or it'll look like this, where it becomes a tangent to the curve, so there's just one point of intersection. Or it'll cross the curve in two places. Okay, so that's what we're looking at. That's what we're trying to find out. Now, at those points of intersection, they will have the same value of x and the same value of y. So if I already know from the equation of the curve, I know that y is equal to x squared minus 6x plus 14. Now for the second one, I can get an expression for y as well. If I take x off both sides, I know that y is equal to 10 minus x. And where this line and curve meet, I know that the y values has to be the same because they meet at the same point. So if I want to find out what value they are, I can put these two expressions for y equal to each other. So x squared minus 6x plus 14 equals 10 minus x. It's a quadratic, so I want it equal to 0. So I'm going to add x to both sides. So it's going to be negative 5x. And I'm going to take 10 off both sides, so plus 4. Okay, so this is a relatively simple one to factorize. So we get x minus 1 and x minus 4. So we now have two things that multiply to give 0. Either the first bracket is 0, in which case I've got 0 multiplied by this, which is 0. Or the second bracket, x minus 4, is 0. So we have something multiplied by 0, which would also give me 0. So I solved both of these equations. I can add 1 to both sides here and get x is 1. Or I can add 4 to both sides there and get x is 4. Now, in order to find my y, I can use either one of these. So I may as well use this one. Y is 10 minus x is easier. So y is going to be 10 minus the x. In this case, the x is 1, so that's 9. In this case, y is going to be 10 minus the x, so 10 minus 4, which is 6. So the points of intersection are, so you have 1 and 9. We've also got 4, 6. And that's all the question are asking for.